For the inaugural ceremony of the 5th Kudremukh Trophy, an All India Open FIDE Rating Rapid Chess Tournament 2022. As all participants are overflowing with the sportive zeal, I am indeed honored to be bounded for the celestial compulsion of welcoming one and all. Here, I would like to mention that apart from conducting taluk, state, national level tournaments, we are once again conducting a national level chess tournament at our township for the 5th time. As we had successfully accomplished taluk, state level chess tourneys and all India level tournament optimistically, I am confident that we shall strive through the 5th trophy peacefully. This time also, we have invited participants in open category. We are overjoyed by the response and we are indeed happy. We have many senior citizen participants and grandmasters also. As part of promoting, encouraging sports and games in central government public sector units and as per directives of Ministry of Steel, Government of India, we are organizing a 2-day national level chess tournament, 5th Kudremukh Trophy, a national level open FIDE rating rapid chess tournament 2022, today and tomorrow. The competition will be conducted in the age-wise categories of 5 to 7, 9, 11 years, 13 and 15 years, and open category with special prizes for best veteran, best youngest player, best Dakshina Kannada player, best women player, with free entry for physically handicapped players. The total cash prizes will be around rupees 3 lakhs along with 175 trophies. Competitions will always be held for boys, also be held for boys and girls in each category and open category separately. We wish that this tournament will be a mark in the history with the highest scoring champion. As the former world chess champion Garry Kasparov had said, chess helps you to concentrate and help solve problems in an uncertain environment. Today, we are all here to enjoy a game having its origin in the 6th century AD in India and has conquered the world, but it is still hugely popular 15 centuries after its invention. Also, I am honored to welcome all to this event.
Every small step towards achievement can lead ourselves to a trophy of fame. The trophy earned is an honor for a lifetime. Our tournament is renowned for the unique Kudremukh trophies we bestow on the winners. I kindly request our Senior Manager HR and Coordination and Chess Tournament Coordinator, Shri S. Murgesh, to escort the dignitaries to unveil the prominent trophies of 5th Kudremukh Trophy. Kudremukh Trophy, the beautiful trophies are awaiting you, so please play well.
Master Dhanush L of class 12th, son of our employee Sri Lakshmi Narayan K, who is working as master technician at the pellet plant electrical department. Master Dhanush L won 4 gold medals for swimming at the Kendriya Vidyalaya National Level Swimming Meet, New Delhi. The meet was held in New Delhi from 1st November 2022 to 5th November 2022. I kindly request our dignitaries to felicitate him. Kumari Moksha, who is an apprentice trainee working in the Port Facilities INC department, has secured the second place in 76 kg weightless class at the State Youth Weightlifting Championship conducted by the Karnataka State Weightlifters Association, held on 27 to 29 November 2022. I kindly request our dignitaries to felicitate her.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Kiocl Limited, Mangaluru, the whole team of Kiocl for successfully conducting this chess national level All India Open chess tournament. As far as chess is concerned, you know, maybe after the 15th century it has come out as chess, but originally it is an Indian game. It's a transformation of Chaturanga. It has become chess over the period of time. Though there are chess-related games in China, Japan, Europe, all over the place. There are chess-related games, but chess is a direct transformation of Chaturanga, I would say. Somewhere, our history, if you go into the history of our culture and civilization, you can see the origination of everything almost. You take martial arts, you take chess, you take any sports, almost everything has evolved from our country only, I would say. Not everything, most of the things. So I think we need to press more importance to chess also, give more importance to chess also, because this is one game where the children will learn patience. First thing is learn patience. Those strategy, skill, all those things will come later. But first they will learn to sit in one place, be patient and be cool-headed. That is what we all have, this knee-jerk reaction attitude. Most of the time if someone says something, maybe it's because of the media and everything, we react to it immediately. There's a knee-jerk reaction. We don't have a calm and cool mind. Maybe this is another form of meditation, I would say. The meditation is a place where you sit and keep quiet and think what's happening around you. This is one place where you can concentrate properly on one particular thing and think whether you are going to die or live. That is how the chess goes on. So I would like to congratulate the committee again and best of luck to all the players.
This Kudremukh trophy we have been conducting for the last 5 years, and this year especially we have the overwhelming response after the COVID-19, which has really made our life difficult. Now almost the country has also come out of this and we are free to move around and then start doing our normal activity. In any sports there is no pass or fail. It's only the attitude development when we play any games. This is chess game is a very interesting one which gives us the mental stability while we play and gives the tremendous memory, developing our memory pod. And I'm also happy to note that the various age groups, starting from children to elders, up to the age of 75 plus also is participating in this event. I think this is a real great moment for Kiocl and its team people. I am sure our company has made to the extent possible the arrangements to make you comfortable, to receive you all here and for playing this chess tournament. Maybe if some of you have any feedback, we most welcome, and we'll try to improve upon in the coming days. I would like to thank each and everyone for having come here and participation in this game, and welcome you all, and I wish you all the best for the this event, and also for the individuals to get benefit out of this chess tournament.
Life is a mind game. All you have to do is to know how to play it. In life, as in chess, forethought wins. Chess players are game changers with right move and right forethought. To make the right move, memory and mental stamina are the key attributes for chess players. And for stamina, encouragement is the key. Today, it is encouraging to find this huge cluster of participants in the 5th Kudremukh Trophy. We are really ecstatic of this huge crowd. Our gratitude to you all of confidence shows on us and brought along with you many more participants from all over India. Extend a warm wishes to you all being present in the inauguration ceremony of 5th Kudremukh Trophy, All India Open Federating Rapid Chess Tournament 2022. A kind gesture of gratitude is an act of compassion, and today a deep sense of indebtedness bestows in me to convey our gratefulness towards the consideration of all the luminaries present here.
Trophy All India Open Federated Rapid Chess Tournament today and tomorrow. As of today, there are 413 players registered, out of which 209 are rated players, 97 are female players.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ರಾವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊನ್ನಾವರದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಸಮರ್ಥ್ ಜಯರಾವ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಸ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಇವಾಗ ಎಮ್ ಕಾಮ್ ದ್ವಿತೀಯವನ್ನು ಹೊನ್ನಾವರದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ವಿದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಾರಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಯುರೋಪ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ 3 ಬಾರಿ ಬ್ರೋನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಲನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ 1 ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲನ್ನು ಸಹ ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ತುಮಕೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ವಿಕಲಚೇತನರ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಮಟ್ಟದ ಚೆಸ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.